Here is how to buy crypto using Apple Pay. Quick and easy. First, open a crypto app or exchange that supports Apple Pay, like Coinbase, Crypto, Binance, or Trust Wallet. Log into your account, then tap Buy or Buy Crypto on the home screen. Select the crypto you want, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Enter how much you want to purchase, then choose Apple Pay as your payment method. If you haven't already, make sure your Apple Pay is set up with a valid card in your wallet app. Tap Next or Preview Purchase, then confirm the transaction using Face ID or Touch ID. Your crypto will be delivered instantly to your account wallet, and you can view the receipt under your transaction history. And that's it. That's how you buy crypto with Apple Pay. Fast, secure, and just a few taps away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.